In this video, we're going to tell you about Nassau Federal Credit Union and the secrets your bank doesn't want you to know.
Look, stick around to the end of the video. I gotta tell you about a secret with mortgages. You're not gonna believe it, what happens once you get approved.
Now, let's jump right into what do you need to do to be a part of this credit union, Marvin?
You would think you would have to be an employee of the Nassau Federal Credit Union in order to join. But guess what? They have a bonus. You can join the National Space Society. They're gonna give you a 1-year free membership. So that means now everyone can join the credit union.
That right there, Marvin, is amazing. Also, you only need a $5 deposit to be able to open a checking or a savings account.
Yes, also to become eligible, they're gonna do a soft pull on your Experian report. And don't worry, it won't impact your credit score.
Now let's jump right into secret number 1. Did you know that you can check your rate without it even impacting your score right on the website?
That's amazing. You can pre-qualify right there on the website. Now let's jump right into the cards. The first card is the Earn Cash Rewards. This is a card where for every dollar you spend, you earn 1 point. There are no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, and they have the peace of mind protection.
The cash back card. Now this card gives you 1.5% cash back on all purchases. Unlike other cards, a lot of cards out there nowadays, they give you cash back on gas or cash back on groceries. But this card is most definitely a game changer because it gives you cash back on every purchase. The other thing is it has no foreign transaction fees. And if you want to do a balance transfer, it gives you 9.9%, Marvin, on a balance transfer. There's also so many other benefits that this card gives you. You have fraud protection. You have roadside assistance. Like, Marvin, this card gives you everything that you need. I love this card. The only thing about credit union cards, you don't get these wonderful sign-on bonuses, but everything else is so amazing until you just have to have one of these in your wallet.
You know, in Gloria, we've been getting people funded for years. And you know, you have to mix your portfolio up. It's good to have credit unions and it's good to have banks. Now let's get into the next card. Visa Classic card. This card here is gonna have a minimum credit limit of $500 and a maximum credit limit of $5,000, but it's gonna have the lowest rate of all of them. And look, rates change, so I'm not gonna quote any of the rates, but it's gonna have no balance transfer fees. It's gonna have no foreign transaction, peace of mind protection, the fraud protection, the 24/7 extended warranty coverage. I mean, you can't beat these cards.
Now we're gonna talk about the Visa Shared Secure card. Now, Marvin and I talk about this all the time, right, Marvin, about having a secured credit card to rebuild your credit. Now, the best way to start rebuilding, I always think, is credit unions. Now, in my opinion, I think this is the best way to go to start rebuilding your credit, is to have one of these secure cards in your wallet. It's only a $500 deposit. If you have extra money laying around, the more that you put down on your secure card, the better and faster way that you can start building your credit.
Yeah, and the good thing about rebuilding credit, where people get confused, is not only about removing negative items, it's also having a secure card to help you build that new credit. Because let's face it, that's why they call it credit. Showing those on-time payments is what's going to help you rebuild credit. So even if you can't get approved right now, start working on your credit.
And this is also, Marvin, a very good way to start building a relationship with some of these credit unions. So a lot of times what credit unions will do is they'll turn that secure card into a regular credit card.
Right, and that means an unsecured card. So if you're not working on your credit, start now. Now let's jump into the next secret, Glove.
The next secret. Let's tell them about how you can get a brand new car with 0 down and you don't have to pay your first car note for 2 whole months.
Now that's unbelievable because most banks, soon as you get a car loan, 30 days later, you got a note to pay. So to get 2 months, that can help you improve your cash flow.
You can also get pre-approved for this as well.
Exactly. What I love about Nassau, you can check your rate for any of these products. You can get pre-approved before you even accept the loan. But remember, after you accept the loan, you're going to get a hard inquiry on Experian.
Right. So Marvin, let's run that back. So what you're saying is that I can go online and I can get pre-approved with a soft inquiry. Once I get pre-approved, then they say, hey, Gloria, I'm going to give you $30,000 to get your brand new dream car. I turn around and accept that offer, and that's when they're gonna give me that hard inquiry.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, well, let's jump right into what else Nassau has to offer. Marvin, let's tell them about the next secret, the personal loan. If you're looking to consolidate debt, this is the way to go.
And the crazy thing, it goes up to $30,000, and you can finance this as far as 84 months. So imagine you can have a low rate, under 10%, and you're able to get one lump sum if you wanted to buy new furniture, go on vacation, or like most of our students, maybe you want to start a new business.
I really like that, Marvin. You know, being able to get a loan for $30,000 where you can actually stretch it out over the 84 months. That right there is amazing. Now we're gonna jump right into the next secret. Marvin, I think out of all of them, this is my personal favorite because you can buy your dream home. You don't have to put any money down. I mean, absolutely none, zero. And there's $0 for a PMI.
Yeah, that's incredible. So this is also for a conventional and a jumbo loan. So imagine, I'm sure you got to have a great credit score. I would say you want to have a 720 before you apply for this, but they allow you to do 0 down. That's unheard of, you guys.
And also, Marvin, not having to pay PMI, that can really be a game changer for your house payment. If you're looking to have more buying power and you don't have to include that PMI insurance, if you're looking to do business with Nassau Federal Credit Union on the business side, well, make sure you live in the DMV because they only offer their products on the business side to those that live in the DMV area.
And look, Gloria and I, we train businesses on how to continually raise capital. So for all our people in DMV, this is a great credit union to actually join. Everybody else, you might have to take a pass, but there is a secret to do it. You can foreign file your company in the DMV so that way you can borrow from this credit union. So think about that. And look, also, we offer a free business strategy call for business owners that want to jump in our program.
Now, don't sleep on this credit union because this is an amazing credit union to jumpstart repairing your credit or just building a relationship.
So look, you guys, if you're looking to join a great credit union that you actually want to build a relationship with, look at Nassau Federal Credit Union. And you're going to have to make sure you got a government ID and check stubs because Nassau will ask for documents. So make sure you got your check stubs and your government ID.
So you may want to check out our video that helps you repair your credit in under 1 hour.
So look, you guys, I want you to do this for me. Check out the next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.